What are you working on?
My 1995 Dodge Ram van.
But what happened to your 85 Chevrolet Astro van?
But my 1985 Chevrolet Astro van has the engine problem. I take my Astro van back to Danny's U-Pull to get my van scrapped.
I'm sorry about your van got scrapped at Danny's U-Pull.
It's okay, brother, but where's your 1994 Chevrolet Astro van?
The train destroyed my 1994 Chevrolet Astro van, and my 94 Astro van got scrapped at the scrapyard in Tulsa.
Sorry about your 94 Chevy Astro van, brother.
It's okay, Mukai. I have my 2007 Chevrolet Express full-size van.
I love your new Chevrolet Express full-size van.
Thank you, sister. I appreciate it.
What's going on in the garage?
Oh, hey, Dad.
Mayuka, can you work on your Dodge Ram van with your brother?
Yes, Dad, my brother can help me work on my Dodge Ram van.
Can I help fix your 1995 Dodge Ram van, sister?
Of course you can, brother. I am so proud of you for fixing my Dodge Ram van, brother.
Thanks, sister, but I gotta go to see UnionPacific844TrainFans2022.
Goodbye, brother. Drive safe.
Don't worry, sister. I can take care of it.
I love you, brother. Drive safe.
I love you too, sister.
You know, EAC, I recently bought all the cars and vehicles for my flip buddies. So I bought it from the dealership and car lots and the truck yard. Uh-huh. Did I buy it?
Union Pacific 844 Train Fans 2022, I need to talk.
Hold on, EAC. Listen, I gotta call you back. Goodbye, EAC. What now, Tatsuya?
Come outside to your house and see your flip buddy's car.
Okay. I get it, Tatsuya. I get it. I'm just gonna go outside to see my flip buddy's car. Oh my gosh, Tatsuya. Look at that.
I got my car.
I got my 1959 Cadillac Series 62. My favorite color is pink.
I've got my 1990 Jaguar XJ6.
I got my 1977 Lincoln Continental Mark V muscle car.
I've got my 1986 GMC Brigadier 8000 highway truck.
I got my 1989 Jeep Metro subcompact car.
I'll go look in the garage.
I got my 1989 GMC Suburban full-size off-road sport utility vehicle.
I got my 1992 Mercury Grand Marquis full-size luxury car.
I got my 1971 Toyota Celica sports car.
You bought all the cars and vehicles for your flip buddies? We are not keeping all the cars and vehicles for your flip buddies. We are getting a refund.
No refund. Not that.
Yes, we are getting a refund.
Tatsy, stop it.
Stop telling me what to do, Dad.
That's enough, mister. I'm going to get you disciplined for trying to get a refund.
Get away from me, Dad.
That does it, Tatsuya. I'm taking you home as your punishment.
Wait, Tatsuya's dad. It's true. I bought all the cars. I'm sorry, Tatsuya.
It's okay, Union Pacific 844 Train Fans 2022, don't cry. Listen, I know we wanted to keep all your cars and vehicles for your flip buddies.
I know, Tatsuya. I recently bought all the cars and vehicles for my flip buddies from the other vehicle store. I'm sorry, Tatsuya. I can't help it.
I'm sorry, I was rude to you.
It's okay, Tatsuya. It's okay. I know. I wish I could keep all the cars and vehicles from my house to let my flip buddy see. Tatsuya, can you please apologize to your father for being rude to him?
Dad, I'm sorry that I was being rude to you.
Son, I'm sorry I tried to discipline you. I promise I will never do it.
Union Pacific 844 Train Fans 2022, I think we are not getting a refund.
You're right. I think we're not getting a refund.
Union Pacific 844 Train Fans 2022, this is my sister. Can you please say something nicely?
Hi, Miyuki.
Hi, Union Pacific 844 Train Fans 2022.
Are you Tatsuya's sister, right?
Of course I am Tatsuya's sister.
That's true, Yuka is my sister.
I see, Tatsuya. I see. But I recently bought my favorite car as a 1995 Chevrolet Cavalier. I tried to gear it up, but it won't work. So I decided to trade it in for my mid-size van from the dealership in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
So you traded in your 1995 Chevrolet Cavalier compact sedan for your 1996 Ford Windsor midsize van.
Yes, Miyuki, I sure did. I traded my 1995 Chevrolet Cavalier compact sedan for my 1996 Ford Windsor midsize van.
I recently bought my brand new 2007 Chevrolet Express full-size van from the dealership in Tulsa.
That's cool, Tatsuya. So you recently bought your 2007 Chevrolet Express full-size van from the dealership in Tulsa.
Are you gonna say goodbye to my sister? She is about to go home with her dad.
Goodbye, Miyuki. Drive safe.
Goodbye, Union Pacific 844 Train Fans 2022. I'll visit you next time.
Okay, Miyuki. Goodbye.
I'm so happy that my sister is going home with her dad in the Dodge Ram van.
I guess you're right, Tatsuya. Miyuki is going home with your dad.
I love my sister so much. I was the one who fixed my sister's van.
Well, Tatsuya, so you fixed your sister's 1995 Dodge Ram van at the garage in your house.
So I recently got my 1994 Chevrolet Astro midsize van from my dad's house since when I was 16 years old.
Oh, hey, Tails. How are you doing?
I recently got my 1995 Nissan Altima from the car lot in Wichita, Kansas.
That's cool, Tails. So you bought your 1995 Nissan Altima from the car lot in Wichita, Kansas.
But I traded in for my 2022 Camry from the dealership in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So in Pacific 844 Train Fans 2022, what's your favorite car in North America?
My favorite car in North America is Chevrolet Cavalier. It's actually a 1995 Chevrolet Cavalier. So it's my favorite car in North America. But sadly, my beloved childhood car in North America got scrapped at Danny's U-Pole.
I'm sorry, about your childhood car got scrapped.
I know, Tatsuya. I know. So I still have my 1996 Ford Windsor midsize van. My midsize van can be preserved and operate.
I know you still have your midsize van. Your van is preserved and operation.
I agree. You still have a van. Your van is preserved and operated. Right.
Aw, thank you, Tails. My midsize van is gonna be preserved and operated. So I can use my midsize van as an operation.
baby baba.